Hello guys, as you have seen in my previous two shorts, I'm into tech, and of course I'll be reviewing all my peripherals, although some of them will be a bit harder to film. Either way, today we're talking about the Shark Commando. This is a $30, for me 20, 10 keyless mechanical blue switch keyboard. That's actually pretty good. It has a metal backplate, which I don't know what metal is made out of, but I don't think it's the best. It does not have any sag, and the flexing is not there. It has a braided cable that is attached to it. That's a downside, but it also does have a USB type A cable at the end. It also has 2 feet, which do not have any sort of anti-slip texturing. They do have one here, but this does mean that it's not as easy to flip around. It does have lighting modes, which you can change around, but you can't change the actual colors, which is a downside. Overall, it is a pretty nice keyboard. It does not have that much wiggle on the keys, meaning that they are pretty stable. And overall, for the price, you can't do much better, and it's 10 keyless, which is the best. So overall, for 30 bucks or 20 on sale, it's a really good keyboard, and honestly, most people will really love this. There is also a red switch version, but it wasn't on sale, so